Hello and welcome to our video tutorial today. Let's talk about noise problems. You know, it's very difficult when you're making a recording not to get some background noise. There's a lot of different ways to control noise. Now, normally what I do is I use an audio compressor that has a noise gate. I turn that up a bit and that gets rid of a lot of background noise. But if there is some noise that you can't get rid of, maybe a hum, maybe you've got some kind of fan that's running on your PC, in Camtasia Studio there is a way to get rid of a lot of that noise, and we're going to experiment with that function today. What we're going to do is first of all listen to part of a tutorial that I've done, leaving some fan noise in it, and I want you to listen to it. Now in this sample, we have the background noise, but we're using the Camtasia Studio noise removal system to see just how good it is at getting rid of it. I'm going to pause a few seconds and see how much it has taken out. Now we have part of the tutorial that has the fan noise in it, but I'm using the Camtasia Studio software to get rid of that noise. Let's listen to that. Now in this sample, we have the background noise, but we're using the Camtasia Studio noise removal system to see just how good it is at getting rid of it. I'm going to pause a few seconds and see how much it has taken out. As you can see, it's done a pretty good job, and we're going to try that out. Okay, so how did I do that? Well, it's quite simple. First of all I did is I loaded the sample that I want to get rid of the noise. We loaded it in here, right on the timeline there. Okay, once we have our segment on our timeline, now we can do some audio enhancements to it. Let's go up here into Edit, and we'll go down to Audio Enhancements, and this pops up, and this is where we can remove some noise. First of all, the best way to do it is to click out of it first of all and make a selection here on the part of the tutorial or whatever you're recording that doesn't have your voice, that just has the noise itself. And it's a good idea when you make a recording just to start off maybe 5-10 seconds and not say anything so you have this little sample. But we can make a little selection here of the area that does not have a voice so it can sample that. Then we'll go back up here into Edit and then Audio Enhancements. And now we can remove noise. We can click on the automatically try to detect noise on the timeline because we've selected an area that doesn't have a voice part, just has the noise. We can just click this, remove noise, and it should do a very good job to automatically remove some of that. Let's see how it does. And so that's a good example of how we can get rid of some noise problems in Camtasia Studio.